If you want to trade like a rebel, you got to come to Rebelcon 2022. It's going to be in Dallas, Texas, at the fabulous Four Seasons Resort. It will be more fun and more live trading than we've ever done before. That's why it's called Rebelcon 2022. We're going to have barbecues and double the amount of live trading. The guest speakers, as soon as we announce those, this thing's going to be sold out, limited to 250 people. Sign up now for Rebelcon 2022 at the Four Seasons in Dallas, Texas.
Welcome to the Rebellion.
Welcome back, folks. This is 3 at 3. 3 at 3, we bring you what our computers and our staff have found as far as unusual option activity. That is, calls that are very big accumulations, or puts that are very big accumulations. And if it's the call side of the market, well, that's bullish. If it's the put side, then it's bearish. So even if you do not trade options, you could participate just by following along and trading the underlying stock. But I do believe, and I believe this truly in my heart, that options give you better risk reward. They let you limit your risk on entry. And there are so many reasons why we follow and act on unusual activity every day. With that said, let's get started. This one we had last week. It was the spider, the SPY for the S&P 500. That's the smaller version. Of course, rather than 4207, it would be 413 back last week. So in these terms, it would be 4130. It was a pretty good week. We saw some pretty decent rallies, and now we're sitting up 84 points in the big spider. And that means that the calls that we bought at that 413, 415 level are working out nicely. They are now a full $5 in the money, which is a bang. Rebel's Edge is fun, and it's a bang too. It's Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays at 1 p.m. So you can tune in Monday, Tuesday, or Thursday, 1 p.m. Eastern Time to the Rebel's Edge. That's me and Pete. We cover the top news stories of the day for business, and then we delve into unusual option activity. And then we finish up with a little sports. We'd encourage you to check it out. It streams live on virtually all the socials, and then it is also streamed live and posted up on YouTube. So if you go to YouTube and you click in that upper right-hand corner, bang, 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 up in the upper right-hand corner of the YouTube, you can type in Market Rebellion in your search bar, upper right-hand corner, click on subscribe, free. It's completely free. And then you can follow right along. And if you hit the notifications button and or the likes, well, we like it even more. NTR Nutrien, again, last week, strong activity in this name was 82.70. And then now it has pushed all the way over $90 Nutrien 9055 just a little bit ago, folks. Bang. So the activity that we followed there, just like feeling a wave starting to pick up and you're starting to row faster and faster, that's what this is like. And so we are now aggressively selling upside calls against the calls that we bought. And keep in mind that the calls that we bought are regular September expiration calls. Also, Rivian from yesterday was 37.60 yesterday, trades up to 38.26 today. I'm sorry, I said 38. It wasn't 38. It was 36.66. It traded up to 38.26 today and was still holding near 38 when I made this slide. So another winner. And these expire on Friday, 2 days hence. You know what that means. Deep end of the pool, very fast time decay. So please be aware of that. Rebelcon 2022. Be aware of this, folks, because down in Dallas, Texas, at Las Colinas, the Four Seasons Resort and Club, we will be having Rebelcon. You can go to marketrebellion.com/Dallas to learn more. It's September 21st through the 24th, Dallas, Texas. It'll be a fabulous time. Encourage you to come. Again, take your significant other, take your grandfather, your grandkids, whatever it might be, and put them, either bring them with you or put them in the pool and let them have a great afternoon while you're in there having a great afternoon with us. We also have barbecues, golf matches, armadillo races, you name it. Marketrebellion.com/Dallas to learn more. All right, now let's dive into some. GBT, a blood therapeutics play. GBT 6671 is the stock. They're buying December 70 calls. This has a lot of time for you to be right in this trade. A lot of time. So almost no time decay means if you buy the calls at the money and then wait and sell some upside calls against it, you can be at a great position. But it's a long-term trade because it's September, October, November, December, 4 full months out there into the future. Take a look at Haynes Brands, HBI. The reason I put this one up is they have earnings tomorrow morning. So is this a play with the stock trading at $11.50 that it pops a buck or more? Probably. They bought 5,800. That's 580,000 share equivalent of those HBI calls. And I like the play. So for a cheap shot, 15 cents is what they paid. I'll follow along. So I'm in the trade. Third and final of today's 3 at 3 is Upstart. Bullish call buying, $30.42. Let's call it 30 and a half. They're buying the 35 calls for August, regular expiration though, not this Friday, which is August 12th, but next Friday, which is August 19th. 720,000 equivalent of calls have been purchased. That's because 7,200 calls is 720,000 shares of Upstart that this particular buyer could control. That's going to do it for us today, folks. Encourage you to check out marketrebellion.com/get started for you to learn more about getting started in options, taking and cutting your risk, increasing the reward, because options are a leveraged bet on the upside. So make sure you check that out. Thank you for joining me today. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.